Welcome to Hybus News. My name is Suresh Kochatal. Shri K. Taraka Rama Rao, Minister for Information Technology, Electronics and Communication, Municipal Administration and Urban Development and Industries and Commerce Department in the Telangana government on Wednesday inaugurated the Knight Frank India's new office in Dallas Center, Knowledge City, strategically located in the premier IT hub of Hyderabad. On the occasion of the inauguration of Knight Frank's new office, Shri K. T. Rama Rao, along with Shri Jayesh Ranjan, Principal Secretary, Industry and Commerce and Information Technology, Telangana government and Knight Frank India's leadership, launched the latest flagship report, WFH, that is Work from Hyderabad, which showcases the face of Hyderabad as a leading city in India with an impeccable investment opportunity. The report presents a comprehensive analysis of Telangana and Hyderabad city with a subject to economy and development, infrastructure and real estate market. Shri K. T. Rama Rao, Minister, said that the department is going aggressive. Telangana, with its immense investment potential, has attracted several global investors in short period and will continue to do so to make more sustainable and disruptive technologies within the state. Hyderabad has transformed into a new tech hub of India in the last 6 years. IT sector presence in the city has also transitioned from mere back-end operations to primary production and product development services, he said. The city has also seen a significant infrastructure development in the recent past, and many are underway for construction. The mass rapid transit system provides a robust connectivity in the city. The city's metro rail project has a distinction of being the world's largest metro project in the public-private partnership model. Shri K. T. Rama Rao further added that we continue to move ahead with development and new business model. The state's principle and philosophy remain the same. He said he congratulated the entire team of Knight Frank India for the new office and expressed his gratitude to the team for putting this insightful report, which he said will be informative for the domestic and international investor. According to the report, since the formation of the state, Telangana's real gross domestic product has significantly grown to rupees 6.63 trillion in 2019-20 from 4.16 trillion in 2014, with a compounded annual growth rate of 8.08%, which is considerably higher than the national real GDP compounded annual growth rate of 5.7% for the same period. The driver of the state's economic growth has been the tertiary sector, that is the services sector dominated by the information technology services. Telangana ITES exports contributed revenue of rupees 1.25 trillion in the year 2019-20 with 18% annual growth against 1.9 trillion in 2018-19. The city is the second largest contributor to the revenues from IT exports in the country and is home to global bigwigs like Google, Amazon, Microsoft and Facebook. Shishir Baijal, Chairman and Managing Director, Knight Frank India, said that in the last few years, Hyderabad has emerged as an important business hub for the country and has seen the entry of global giants into this arena. He said that the new office of Knight Frank in Hyderabad will look at providing various facade, the real estate investments to the investors and looking for tab opportunities based on the state's economic growth. Besides ITES, the Telangana government has also increased its impetus on industries such as pharmaceutical, life sciences, food processing, electronics and textiles in a bid to diversify its economic interest. Mr. Shishir further added that Hyderabad is one of the few cities that have recorded positive office rental growth of 2% on a year-on-year basis in Q3 of 2020, which highlights the strong fundamentals in the office market in the city. Despite uncertainties in the market due to the pandemic, the city has seen an increase in rental yield. Hyderabad's residential market is fundamentally linked to the IT sector activities. Higher the business, stronger is the residential demand. On policy and initiative front, the state government has made several investor-friendly and environmental policies to bring the state's growth story to new dimensions, such as TS iPass, TS IIC, SEZ, Innovation Hub, among others. Besides information technology, Hyderabad is a significant hub for life sciences in Asia and is referred to as the pharma capital of India. In the last 4 years, Telangana has attracted investments of over 10,000 crores in the life sciences industry alone. To give further boost to this industry, the state government has released the Life Sciences Policy of Telangana and has launched vital projects such as the Genome Valley 2.0, Hyderabad Pharma City and medical devices park in Sultanpur. Commenting on the real estate market, Samson Arthu, branch director Hyderabad of Knight Frank India, said, "At the heart of the city is a story of resilience. Capital to the India's youngest state, Hyderabad has been ranked high across categories of living and business. It is now emerging with modern business clusters and holds promise for new industrial ecosystems on the lines of the successful IT sector. There is a stronger resolve to achieve distributed growth across the city. Opportunities in the form of land development, business-friendly governance is enabling the existing enterprises to grow exponentially and remains attractive for new investment. The message resonating from the industry and the ministry is of one accord: come home, come work from Hyderabad." Thank you for watching.